Volkswagen Group has announced one of the largest investments in its history. Together with partners, which ones are not specified, he is investing €20 billion in the construction of several plants for the production of batteries for electric cars, writes Bloomberg. The project envisages the launch of 6 factories in Europe and 2 in the USA. 20,000 jobs will be created. By 2030, the revenue from the annual output of all enterprises should amount to €20 billion. The PowerCo division will be created within the structure of the concern. Not only battery production will fall under his wing. It will also engage in research and development, be responsible for the entire chain from the extraction of raw materials to the recycling of used batteries, and the creation of battery parks for energy storage. By 2030, the total capacity of 8 Volkswagen plants will reach 240 gigawatt-hour per year. The site in Salzgitter will be the largest, where 40 gigawatt-hour of batteries will be made annually. This is enough to equip 500,000 electric cars. As in the case of platforms, MQB, MLB, MEB, the Volkswagen Group unifies batteries as much as possible for different models and families. This will result in significant savings in development and production costs.